welcome back to my YouTube channel with Ichut in here. Meet with me again, guys. Long time I not made video reaction, and this video I make video reaction again. Yay. So this song from Rojbin, Kizil and Fehîme, Derdê, Şerînê. Yeah. So many people give me this song, so I want to hear this song. Let's start watching together. So beautiful. Derdê, Şerînê. Wow, beautiful, yeah. Three women. Good voice, mashallah, and so beautiful. This one, Rojbin or Fehîme? No. So beautiful, yeah. Wow, I like this song. Wow. So cool. This woman so cool. So cool. I like this. Rojbin and Fehîme, yeah. Derdê, Şerînê, Derdê, Şerînê, So amazing, so beautiful, 3 women in this video, and good, so cool. Yay. Thank you for you give me this song, yeah. This very make me excited hear this song. So yes, like that. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for you want you give me this song. Don't forget you give me again what your song, okay? See you next video. Don't forget to watch my other video, Kurdish music reaction. There is my playlist, you can watch, yeah. Don't forget for that. And the most important, don't forget you support me with your subscribe, like, and share to your friend my video, okay? Don't forget support me with your subscribe. See you next video. Assalamualaikum.